And here we are, the Junior Prepared JP Classic, the 22nd annual STA-BIL Keeps Gas Fresh Finals, Delaware, Ohio. Hi everybody, Bruce Kaufman, Mr. Mow-It-All, STA-BIL National Lawnmower Racing Series, U.S. Lawnmower Racing Association's 22nd annual STA-BIL Keeps Gas Fresh Finals, here with Heather Crosby out of Michigan, currently sitting 8th place in the JP Junior Prepared class. Welcome, Heather.
Thank you.
And Heather, you're ready to race. You've been rocking and mowing all season long in the Junior Prepared class. What's going to be the keys to victory here today?
Go out there and have some fun.
Go out there and have some fun. The JP class, Junior Prepared, 8-to-1 gear ratio, 3650 RPM, highly regulated, highly modified class, a prescribed tire pressure, and away we mow.
All right, now good job.
Joey Passion, 906, out to the lead. Wyatt Sullivan, his first cousin. Thank you, Bill Cresswell, here at the Little Brown Jug headquarters in Delaware, Ohio. We've also got Heather Crosby and Hayden Crosby, and the family that mows together grows together. We've got cousins and brothers and uncles and nephews, and of course in the infield, we've got a bunch of nervous dads watching it unfold. Look at that 906 Joey Passion. Our 2013 Rookie of the Year, Joey, out of New Jersey. This is the Junior Prepared class, ages 10 through 15, a highly regulated class specific to modifications listed in our rule book at letsmow.com. And our intent here is to have nearly identical machines as possible so the JP drivers can gain the experience and skills needed to advance to the faster classes as they get a little bit older. The Junior Prepared class is really a very, very popular class for the youngsters wanting to get into lawnmower racing. Look at them flying around the track. We've got Joey Passion and Wyatt Sullivan, the Crosbys and the Perrys. And we're running a little short of a 1/10 of a mile track here in Delaware, Ohio. Lap speeds anywhere between 17.863 and about 20-second lap times here. 0.107 mile track, about a 1/10 of a mile. Wow, Passion looking clean and green. That's right, Bill. A real nice, clean job of driving here by Joey Passion. A very close battle coming into the championship race here. On our points, we give 100 points each for registering, starting, and finishing. Another 100 for 5th, or 150 for 4th. 3rd place will get you 200, 250 for 2nd, and the winner 300 points. The most points you can get is 2,400. That would be 4 victories. We're about halfway done here. And just a few 100 points separating our leaders coming into this race. And you got to have a full-size lawn tractor, front engine, stamped steel frame, manufactured as such and delivered except for the modifications listed below. And, very important, governed engines. 3650 RPM max, no load. Single-cylinder overhead valve engines must be stock, complete, not to exceed a factory rating of 33 cubic inches. So this is a driver's class. And thanks to STA-BIL Fuel Stabilizer and K&N Filters for bringing us all the racing action. 22 years of mowing and growing. Oh, we see a move here. Passion. That 906 machine, strong. Ty Garrett looking very strong. Remember, we're watching these lap times off of our EOP system, making sure that they're not running too hot. There's a fast lap. Passion, 20.470 seconds. He's making no mistakes. You really can't afford to miss any marks, no mistakes, because his machines are all set up pretty equal. They sure are, Bill. They are bouncing down at that other end. Around they go. Tim Wood, Larry Moreland here in Delaware did a great job getting this track to come in real nice. Sun setting, track coming into a nice blue groove. Passion, Sullivan, Perry, Nicholas Passion, Heather Haven Crosby, and Ty Garrett. Oh! He held him off. Woo! Nice. Passion, a nice position to keep his line. White flag lap for Joey Passion. If he can hang on, he will be our U.S. points champion. Rocket Man Racing's Joey Passion, our 2013 Rookie of the Year. There it is! Joey Passion. Nice.
Your winner in the JP class and your U.S. points champion, Joey Passion out of New Jersey. Way to mow. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Tell us about the run.
It was good. It was a little bumpy. I saw Ty Garrett coming. He was bumping me in the last few turns, and
Yeah, just a little bit of Saturday night walk in the park, man. Congratulations. Rocket Man Racing, Passion out of New Jersey. Way to mow.
Thank you.
All right, let's see that checker flag.